Hi, I'm Terry Schmidt. I'm teaching at the UCLA Technical Management Program, a course called Strategic Thinking and Planning for Leaders. I have some very bright people in the class. They asked me some tough questions. Join us, please.
Hi Terry, I got a question for you. What is strategic management?
What is strategic management? Great. It's often used as a buzzword, and I think consultants like myself are guilty of throwing around terms without really defining it. But strategic management, in my framework, involves three different functions. One, strategic thinking. Strategic thinking says it's a rapidly changing world. How do we wrap our arms around some of the major factors that affect us? And I talked earlier about doing a skeptic environmental scan, looking at social changes, competition, economics, political, technology, industry, customers, and so forth. So you look at that. Oh, okay, great. So there's a thinking function. And then you take the results of that and articulate a set of plans. What are you going to do about this? What are the opportunities out there you're going to go for in terms of new customers and new products and new markets? And what are some of the threats you need to guard against? Perhaps an emerging competitor has a better way of doing it. How are you going to handle that? Are you going to get good at that technology? You're going to move out of that particular sector? Perhaps your workforce needs to have its skills upgraded. What's your plan for that? So when you get into the strategies, you can do it around key functions or key processes. So there's thinking, planning, and the most important is action. How do you move into action? How do you turn plans into actionable milestones that people can say, hey, I can make that happen? And you also want to make sure that you don't act without planning. We call those kind of people dangerous. So strategic management is an integration of thinking, planning, and action under the framework of good leadership as well. This can be self-leadership, this can be executive leadership, but those four things constitute, in my opinion, strategic management. I'm Terry Schmidt. I'm so glad you joined me. If we haven't met before, I'm known as the Practical Management Consultant because I'm passionate about teaching motivated men and women what they need to know and do to succeed in this rapid change world. Over the course of my career, I've helped many thousands of people to be more effective, both in private and public sector organizations of all types and sizes in 36 countries worldwide. Along the way, I've discovered what works. Now you can benefit from my expertise by watching my free, content-rich video training series. To get started today, simply go to strategicplanningacademy.com, sign in, and you'll receive these videos packed with solid information to help you think bigger, plan smarter, act faster, and get great results. Go there now, and I'll see you soon.